We've all met those people who just can't stop talking, am I right? They go on, filling the air with their words, but saying very little of value. They think they're impressing us, but in reality, they're just revealing their own insecurity and lack of power. That's why Robert Greene's fourth law of power is so important. Always say less than necessary. Now, this might seem counterintuitive. After all, isn't talking a way to show your knowledge and authority? Not necessarily. In fact, sometimes the less you say, the more power you have. And to illustrate this point, we're going to look at two very different examples. If you're interested in analysis videos, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel as we continue the series. Abraham Lincoln is known for many things, including his powerful speeches that helped end slavery and reunite the country. But did you know that he often said less than necessary in his public appearances? Take his famous Gettysburg Address, for example. It's only 272 words long, literally half the size of most school papers, and yet is considered one of the greatest speeches in American history. Lincoln didn't waste words. He knew that the impact of his message was more important than the length of his speech. By saying less than necessary, he made his words more memorable and powerful. Now let's switch to a more modern example, Frank Ocean. He's a musician known for his introspective and emotional lyrics, but he's also known for being reclusive and avoiding interviews. He rarely speaks to the media, and when he does, he's very careful about what he reveals. So Frank, can you tell us about your creative process? How do you come up with your songs? An interviewer asked him. I don't really like to talk about that. I think the music speaks for itself, answers Frank. By saying less than necessary, Frank Ocean maintains an aura of mystery and power. He doesn't give away too much of himself, which makes his fans crave more. And when he does release new music or appear in public, it's a big deal. So there you have it, folks. The fourth law of power. Always say less than necessary.